Yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's a 2-wheeling time. That's right, the Honda VTNs are in the building, or should I call them the 750s, out here acting a bona fide fool, twisting that wrist, doing diabolical things. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Hondans down, or will the VTNs take that mighty wrist, give it a twist, and tell the devil, hold on for the ride of your life, and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister. 2-wheeling time. Okay, this is gonna be Officer Justin Harper, the Harp Diggler. He doing 95 miles an hour, so he definitely on somebody. He definitely on somebody's trail. Hot on their trail. Is this the person right here? Is this the ruffian right here? Pull over, punk. We just wanna talk. Oh, he's out of here. Yabba dabba doo. Body on earth, wrist twist from hell. I hope you're ready, devil, because here I come. Okay, he moving. I always thought it was odd why nobody want to wear their helmet on a motorcycle. Why is it like uncool to wear a helmet, man? Protect your melon. Look at him, he on the wrong side of the road. Kamikaze. Got ourselves a Chad Ookie with the cut-off t-shirt. My man don't want no protection, no head protection, no arm protection. He's just out here. It said it's a VT 750. Is those fast? Look like it might be pretty fast. I just ain't running without no helmet. I can't do it, y'all. Absolutely not. I gotta protect the melon. Look at him. What's he doing? He might be drunk. He got the cutoff though. He got the cutoff shirt. Oh man, ain't nothing like a nice cutoff though, man. When I get tired of using a cheap t-shirt, I cut it off too and turn it into a workout shirt. I do it all the time. Trying to get every last cent out of this shirt. What is he doing? Oh, you playing with fire. This is Arkansas, bro. What is he doing? He getting footy. Naturally aspirated toast. Come back, scumbag. Don't make me tase you. Don't make. Oh, look how fast that cop is. He is gone. He a track star. He might hawk him down. Ain't no way he would have caught me. He probably got away. He must have got away. Now, he was fast, though. That officer was fast. Nah, he didn't get away. He caught him. Ain't no way, man. I know you lying. You not hawking me down, and you ain't got no backup? Nah, you not hawking T-Light down. You not catching me, playboy. And I'm 44. You can't catch me. You not catching me. He let the cop hawk him down, bro. I'm resisting all the way back to the cruiser. If you catch me, you're gonna have to drag me back to the cruiser. I'm not cooperating. You're gonna have to drag me kicking and screaming, because I'm not cooperating. Absolutely not. Man, that officer was fast, y'all. He was moving, boy. He probably ran track in high school. Look at him. Look at Chad Ookie. Stand up at the top. Look at him, y'all. Look at him. Look how tired he is. He act like he ran a marathon. Oh, he ran over the bike? Diabolical. I'll tell you, Arkansas don't play, man. Literally tried to run the man over. Anything to make the arrest. Look at him back there. Like he ran a marathon, a triathlon. Ain't that what they call triathlons? Look at him. Meth eating up his insides. That meth eating up his insides. His kid lungs look like a ashtray. Oh man, meet me in the comments. This was a quick, wild, crazy chase, man. Homeboy had the cutoff shirt, no helmet. I don't understand it. Y'all gotta explain to me. I was a bike rider. I used to ride crotch rockets, man. And I always had my helmet on. I always had protective gear on. If I didn't have the leather on, something like that, I usually had at least a sweater on, you know, a long sleeve under there and some jeans, you know. I never went out there like this with a tank top on and no helmet. Like, is it not cool to ride it with a helmet? I'm just saying, bikes is so dangerous. You never know. You could lose control of a bike fairly easy. If you hit a dirt patch or anything, you hit something in the road, it's not hard to crash a bike. Plenty pros crash bikes. I just don't understand why he would be out here like this, man. Especially in Arkansas, where you know these police don't play no games. They don't care if you on a bike, a bicycle, a scooter, on some skates. They're going to do whatever it takes. They're going to hit you with that car. They're going to hit you with the car. They're going to make the arrest. They're going to arrest the scumbag. But with that being said, meet me in the comments. Tell me what y'all think this guy could have did differently. And is the Honda VT 750 fast, or is it just like a street glider, just a street rider, just a cruiser? It looked like it was just a cruiser to me. I don't think it was very fast, but I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't you dare, I said don't you dare forget to drop a couple of those hype points in the Avengers Cup. Go ahead, give me a couple of those high points. And if you don't have any high points, it's okay. A like, a comment, and a share will do just fine. And with that being said, let me leave you with some positivity. Just because you think the haters ain't watching, trust me, they watching you. And you know what you're supposed to do? Keep doing what you're doing. Because they watching you. They may act like they don't see you. You may share a little post on your Facebook and don't get not one like. I promise you, you may not have got one like, but hundreds of people watched it. Hundreds of people looked at it. They just didn't want to like it because it was you. The hate is real. Don't you ever get it twisted. They watching you. They just ain't cheering for you. You hear me? I'm going to say it again. They watching you, but they just not cheering for you. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't get discouraged. Just keep doing what you're doing. Keep shining. If don't nobody see you, the King Werewolf T-Light see you. Keep winning. Keep chugging along, keep making those goals happen, and keep catching those dreams. You're on the right path. And with that being said, we do not condone acting a fool. We do not condone running from the boys in blue. But if you run from the boys in blue, I'm going to laugh at you. I'm going to say it again. If you do run from the boys in blue and you happen to get caught, I'm going to laugh at you. Because you will laugh at me too. I'm going to laugh. I'm going to hope that you're all right. But I'm going to crack a couple of jokes. I'm going to sniggle and I'm going to giggle. And we're going to have a good time watching you run from the boys in blue. You wanted us to do that. I think you would want us to have a good time watching you. But with that being said, if you are going to get busy and you do decide to do it on two wheels, can you please, and listen to me now, can you please wear a helmet?